Rob Brown at Clark Marine on why Avalon builds the best foundation for any pontoon boat built today. I'm going to start right here with the pontoon itself. They have a single piece integrated pontoon. What I mean by that is if you look at this pontoon, the nose cone of this pontoon, it's all built out of one piece and it's folded so that there are very few welds in this. There's one weld up in the front, and basically what they do is they curl the metal over so that you have full two thicknesses and there's no exposed weld at the front of the boat. They put a cap over the top of this. Your spray fin is built right into the pontoon itself. Very unlikely you're ever going to break one of these off. You really would have to hit something. Most competitive boats use just a weld-on fin that flexes over time and eventually gets lost. If you've ever raked your leg up against one of those flimsy weld-on type fins, it doesn't feel very good at all. It's dangerous. Eyelet on the front of the boat. Full risers on this pontoon, inside and out. Runs the entire length. This isn't just a piece of tin that's covered over a bunch of spaced risers. This, in fact, is one full piece, both one inside and outside, running the length of the pontoon. Pontoons are baffled. You can see a scene here where they put a plate and create chambers in this pontoon. Avalon is one of the only manufacturers I know that uses a side protector keel. If you were to look straight down between this gunnel trim and the side protector keel, this is going to keep your boat away from the dock an extra inch or so. It's going to make sure that this doesn't get marked up, your fence doesn't get marked up, and you don't get dents and dings in the side of your pontoon. That's real important if you like to keep your stuff looking nice. Mother Nature, heavy winds, waves, have a tendency to do some of that. This gives you that one more ounce of prevention in order to keep your boat looking nice longer. Back of this pontoon, Avalon uses a cap. They don't just put a plate over it and weld the edges. They use a solid cap that goes over. It overlaps itself. They basically are able to weld the outside. This is a vulnerable point. If you're going to run into something or something's going to run into you, you don't want it striking your weld. Here they keep the weld off the end of the boat. Much better design. Solid lifting eyes here. You can see on this particular model, stainless steel corner caps. Rob Brown with Clark Marine. This Avalon has the strongest foundation of any in the boat business today.